What's going on YouTube? Uberman here. So it's that time again. It is auction day. So let's jump right into the bidding. Let's see what we can win. There are a couple vehicles that I'm interested in. I'm hoping I can get both of them today. But if not, hopefully we can get at least one. I'm dying to get into the next project. So let's stop BSing around and get to the bidding.
Sold. This is a hot lot. Sold on approval. Sold on approval. New bidder. This is a hot lot.
All right, so here's what we got. You guys may have saw this yesterday, but we picked up the '01 Nissan Pathfinder, two-wheel drive. And I think it's pretty cool. I like this lot because Copart lets you just drive in here and do what you do. They don't bother you. Very helpful. There's only one guy here, and the guy's always super helpful. Probably could have driven this home, but I'm trying to get away from driving them straight out of here with the salvage titles until they're all legit. And that can take a little bit of time. So for now, we're just gonna start it up, drive it up on the trailer. Got the air shocks aired up to about 90 PSI. We don't have trailer lights. That sucks. I'm gonna have to figure that out because I've been having issues with trailer lights on this truck. Everything works but the trailer lights. So, something we're gonna have to figure out, I guess. All right, we got her running. No battery, but she's running. Now we'll move this on over towards the truck. All right, so this SUV weighs 5,050 pounds. The trailer weighs about 2,000 pounds. So we are pulling just at about 7,000 pounds. And this is going to be a real test for the truck. I was able to get under it with it up here and take a look underneath. And what I found is the exhaust is a little on the rusted side, as you can probably see. So that's going to need some attention. And as far as the bumper being bent, I was concerned about frame damage, but no frame damage. We've just got a bent bracket back here that attaches the bumper to the frame of the car. Hopefully you can see that. Maybe not, but it is definitely bent up. It's collapsed underneath. So, you know, this might be a fairly easy fix. Of course, we got to get it on the road and try to drive it before we go spending too much money on it. But here it is. This is what I just got for $1,535. You think I overspent, or you think I made out okay on it? We'll find out soon. Let's get out of here. Well, we made it home. So this is the first time we've attempted to load this truck down. And damn, is it loaded. Look how it's squatting. So, you know, the truck probably was never intended to be pulling over 3 tons behind it. But I'll tell you this, it did it, and it made it. And it wasn't that bad of a ride. I really expected it to be rough and difficult, but it really wasn't bad. Look back here though. I mean, look how close we are to the ground here. And the brakes are hot. Without a doubt, the brakes are hot. I need to get these trailer brakes. The trailer brakes work, but for some reason we've got no power back here to this outlet right here. I've got 12 volts on it on one side. I've got ground on another, but I don't have anything else working. I've checked the fuses. I'm kind of at a loss on that. We got to get this working though, because we have no trailer lights. We have no trailer brakes. And pulling this much of a load behind you, you really need trailer brakes. Let's get this thing offloaded and hell, maybe we can take it for a test drive. We're good, why?
We don't have the ramps.
I'm aware. We got to line them up to the tires, dude.
Oh, I was like, shit. What are you doing?
We probably shouldn't take it on the street with no battery.
That might not be the greatest idea.
No battery, no plates.
Uh-oh. How do I get it to turn back
It's
on?
fine. Well, it runs, it drives, and it shifts.
That it does.
That's pretty much all I needed to know.
All right, guys, that's going to be a wrap. Comment below. Tell me what you think. 1535 for the 01 Pathfinder, 216,000 miles. I know it's a lot of miles. I do. No frame damage. That back bumper is bent because of it's like a bumper bracket or bumper brace under there that's just got a slight bend to it. Pretty sure we can fix that. My exhaust guy can fix that that loose muffler. You know, I lost the truck. I was really hoping to get that truck for cheap. but I didn't, not the lifted truck, the Chevy work truck. That didn't work out, so this was kind of all that's left. So it was like I was driven to purchase this vehicle, so I may have spent a little more than I probably should have on it. But with that said, I know it's a high mileage vehicle, etc., etc. It's in really good condition on the outside. On the inside, it runs well, it drives well, it's got good tires, it's got some nice chrome rims. I'm pretty certain we shouldn't have a hard time pulling a profit on this when everything works. This is a good vehicle. This is one that someone took really good care of. So let's hope for the best and expect the worst, right? We'll see what happens, though. Stay tuned. I got some more videos coming. We're replacing the door of the truck in the near future. I'm getting the windows tinted on the truck today to make it look really slick. Going to do a cut, wax, and polish on the truck to really bring out the paint. We got a lot happening. And then, believe it or not, I'm going to sell the truck. I'm going to put it up for sale because it's like the project is almost done. And yeah, I'm ready to do something else. You know, maybe find a 2500 or something like that. I don't know. I don't know what we're going to do, but the truck is going up for sale here in the near future. So I want to get it done, get it ready, and we can get in on this Pathfinder. Lots of stuff to do, and hopefully more cars to buy in the near future. Like the video, comment below. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel. Click the little bell icon so you get notified when there is a new video released by me. Stay safe out there, and I will catch you in the next one.